battle was over, but the aftermath was just beginning. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja had to deal with the consequences of their actions. As the dust settled, the city lay in ruins. Its once vibrant streets now a haunting reminder of the conflict that had unfolded. Survivors gathered to mourn, their hearts heavy with grief, yet filled with the fire of resilience. United by purpose, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja strategized their path forward, determined to restore what was lost. Around them, the community began the arduous task of rebuilding a symbol of hope rising from the ashes. In a tense gathering, King Cartel sought support from fellow leaders, ready to forge alliances for the challenges that lay ahead. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja extended his hand to those in need, reminding everyone of the humanity that still existed in their shattered world. With the dawn of a new day, King Cartel stood resolute, vowing to protect his people from further harm. In another part of the city, Mr. Majestic Ninja prepared the next generation, teaching them the skills they would need to defend their home. Unknown to King Cartel, dark forces were already scheming against him, from the shadows plotting a coup that could change the fate of the city. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja fostered unity and strength among his recruits, preparing them for the battles that lay ahead. In the heart of the city, King Cartel confronted his rival, a clash of wills that could determine the future of their leadership. Meanwhile, bolstered by courage and purpose, Mr. Majestic Ninja and his recruits marched forward, prepared to meet the challenges head-on. As tension mounted, the crowd held its breath, witnessing the pivotal moment that could shift their world forever. In a show of bravery, Mr. Majestic Ninja and his young warriors stood ready, embodying the hope and strength of a community, prepared to fight for their future. With conviction in his heart, King Cartel rallied his people, his voice echoing through the streets as he called for unity against their common foe. At the same time, Mr. Majestic Ninja pushed his recruits to their limits, instilling in them the confidence needed to prepare for the impending conflict. The streets became a battleground filled with the sounds of clashing weapons and shouts as King Cartel and his allies fought fiercely for their territory. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja, driven by unwavering resolve, inspired his recruits to keep pushing their limits, knowing that every moment of training was vital to their survival. In the midst of the raging conflict, King Cartel showcased his might, solidifying his role as a leader in the face of danger. Off the battlefield, Mr. Majestic Ninja fostered teamwork and morale among his recruits, reminding them that unity was their greatest strength. With victory within reach, King Cartel solidified his position, earning the unwavering loyalty of his followers in a moment that would be remembered. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja looked upon his team, feeling a surge of pride as they transformed into a reliable force, ready to defend their community. With triumph in his voice, King Cartel addressed the crowd, solidifying his reign and sending a clear message to his enemies. Back in training, Mr. Majestic Ninja guided his recruits through intricate maneuvers, instilling a sense of purpose and unity that would prepare them for future challenges. Inside a dimly lit room, King Cartel and his closest advisors plotted their next move, navigating the uncertainty surrounding their allies with cautious optimism. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja stood quietly contemplating the true motives of those who fought beside them, feeling an unsettling dissonance that demanded attention. As King Cartel analyzed the strategic landscape, plotting their next steps, the air thickened with tension and uncertainty about their allies. In a different moment, Mr. Majestic Ninja uncovered a hidden note that cast doubt on the reliability of their newfound friends, igniting a sense of urgency to uncover the truth. With a steely resolve, King Cartel surveyed his advisors, demanding clarity and loyalty in a time of growing suspicion surrounding their allies. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja engaged in a hushed discussion with a trusted friend, the weight of potential betrayal hanging heavily over their conversation. Unbeknownst to King Cartel, a shadowy figure lurked just outside the door, eavesdropping on their strategy session, ready to exploit any weakness. In the glow of a flickering lantern, Mr. Majestic Ninja meticulously studied a web of information, committed to revealing the secrets that could endanger their mission. Rallying his advisors with conviction, King Cartel urged them to stand united against the looming threat of betrayal that could jeopardize everything they had fought for. In that moment, Mr. Majestic Ninja steeled himself for what lay ahead, ready to confront the shadows of deceit that threatened their cause. In the meeting room, the atmosphere crackled with tension as King Cartel's advisors debated strategies, each grappling with the weight of impending consequences and the need for decisive action. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja immersed himself in rigorous training, every drop of sweat a testament to his unwavering resolve to prepare for the confrontation that loomed on the horizon. Deep in thought, King Cartel paced nervously under the harsh light, plotting a course of action that would reveal the true nature of their allies. Meanwhile, in a secluded corner, Mr. Majestic Ninja steadied his grip on his weapon, mentally preparing himself for the confrontation that would test his strength and loyalty.